Holy crap, it is freaking cold out here. Jesus.
All right, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you guys are from. First off, I just want to say big thanks to Subie Bros for helping me acquire this part. I've been trying to get this part for the past few months now, and he went and acquired it for me, and here it is. I'm about to unbox it for you guys, install it. Hopefully it fits, which I know it will because it is an OEM part, to be honest with you. And, you know, let's just get right to it. So here it is. I already opened the box just for the sake of time. And wow. This really is an OEM part. You can tell by the packaging. Let's just get one of these out of the box. Ooh. Check that out. So here we are. If you guys are confused about what these are, since you see the other part currently installed on the car right now on the right of your screen, this is the 2020 JDM STI fog bezels. I got a little piece right there. But anyways, these supposedly provide more cooling for your intake if you do run an aftermarket intake. And that was one of the main reasons why I was interested in this. And supposedly they're more functional than the 2019 fog bezels. So we will see. If you look on the back, I see screws on here. It looks like these are removable, which is pretty cool, but these have the optional cutout for the LEDs. Hopefully my old LED boards transfer to these ones. Hopefully they fit, but we will see about that in just a minute, because if they don't, that is royally gonna suck. But I'm almost quite positive that they will. So you can get these from Subie Bros with the LEDs, link in the description below if you're interested in them. Or if you have the 2019 ones and you already have the LED boards, you can get these on Japan Parts, which is only about 150 bucks. So check it out. And keep in mind, these are OEM. As you can see, there is the part number on there, Subaru made in Japan. But yeah. So I'm gonna take these off and see if the LED boards fit onto the new ones. As you can see on the old ones, I do have this wrapped in carbon fiber vinyl. Not sure if I'm gonna do that with the new ones because these look a little bit different, a little more intimidating to wrap. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I am not a wrap expert by any means, but I might give it a try if I have any carbon fiber wrap left over, or I'll just order more on Amazon. Now keep in mind, these are the sequential versions, so I think they go like this when you turn on your turn signals, and they're also daytime running lights, so when your turn signals are not on, these are just white LEDs. So far it looks similar. So I wrapped these a few months ago, and so far the wrap is holding up pretty dang good. Alright, let's see if these work. These are just held on by screws. The LED boards I'm talking about. Oh, by the way, let's take a look at the vents. It looks like the 2019 version, the vents are actually bigger than the 2020 vents. Huh. But check this out. These have this little, I don't know what you call it, duct that directs air this way. This one just has a hole in the front. So as you can see, this is just a hole right there. That's it. And this one actually directs airflow to this part right here. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's transfer. Let's get these out of here and transfer on to the new ones. I really hope they fit. Right, moment of truth. Uh-oh. Come on. Okay, so I do have a small fitment issue. It looks like the mounting tab here in the middle is getting in the way of the new one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bend this back with just some pliers. And that should make it fit better. And let's see if these two will match up. That should be good enough to hold it in place. Let's see here. Oh, there you go. So there you go. It's not 100% perfect. You just have to bend this little tab back, and looks like it should line up pretty good. It looks like they do fit. Not perfect, but you won't be able to tell from 5 feet away. I know these are OEM Subaru, but I just want to be 100% sure that these fit. Don't want to scratch them. Oh, wow. Perfect. I think they fit better than the old ones. Check that out.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. As you can see, they work. They fit just fine. I got one more thing I'm going to do to these before I permanently put them on. Oh, hey, check that out. Carbon fiber vinyl. Okay. Screws are out. Oh, check that out. Look. Alright. You have this part, which looks like just directs air into the ducts. Pretty cool, huh? What do you guys think? Versus the other ones, it doesn't have this little air guide or whatever you call it. I don't know, I'm not an expert. Okay, so on a side note, one thing I do want to tell you guys is yes, the carbon fiber vinyl came in just minutes ago, and I am gonna wrap this in carbon fiber vinyl. And the reason is this is OEM Subaru paint, which is known for being very thin. And I know after a few thousand miles, these are just gonna collect some rock chips and it's gonna look nasty after a while. So to preserve the paint and give it a little more flair, I'm just gonna wrap it, and then once I wrap it, then I'm gonna fully install it, and then we'll show you the results. The vents are definitely much more functional than this. This is just, there's nothing. And this just has no airflow direction whatsoever. It's just an open hole. So I know some of you guys are gonna ask, will you be able to use your fog lights with the 2020 bezels since the inner parts or the air duct is removable? You might have to do a little trimming, but it looks like it's plausible, as Mythbusters would say. Out here. Damn, sun needs to come back. Anyways, let me adjust the camera real quick. We got another box here to unbox. These are just small mods, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna film this, and they're very common mods. So, hold on a sec. All right, got that out the way. Like I said, this is not gonna be very exciting. And this is just a cob heat shield. This will go over the turbo just to keep heat away from the engine bay and direct it downwards. I think that's the way it works. But yep, it's just a heat shield. Next are the mud flaps. Of course, I know a lot of you guys already have this, so I don't even know why I'm unboxing this, but I'll do it anyways. You guys will ask if you see it on the car, and I don't make a video about it. You guys will flame me for it. But here it is. Typical Rally Armor stuff, blue or black with blue lettering. And yeah, there you go. Bunch of installs on YouTube on Rally Armor mud flaps, so I don't think I'm gonna do a video on this. Setting the standard in mud flaps. Cool. I had rock blocks before. A lot of you guys run Rally Armor and recommended Rally Armor over rock blocks, so I just said screw it and I went ahead to order these. Oh, another reason why I got the mud flaps is because I noticed a small scratch on the side of the door. I think it was from the tire kicking up stuff from the ground. I don't know. Hopefully these will pay for itself in the future. Okay, so it's been about a week, maybe 2 weeks now since I've had the fog bezels on the car now, and about maybe 1,000 or 1,500 miles later, I've been commuting the hell out of the car lately, driving 100 miles a day, and so far the bezels look absolutely phenomenal. No issues with it whatsoever. The car is dirty as hell, it's absolutely filthy. It's been raining. It is the rainy season here in the Seattle area, but so far so good. But one thing I wanted to tell you guys before we go, for those of you that are still watching, now these are for the STI. Now keep in mind, for the 18 and up people, now we don't have the what do you call it, the turn signals in the fog bezels, nor does the STI come with fog lights in the 18 and up model. So if you have a WRX and you're interested in these, keep in mind that you might lose the functionality of your fog lights. But anyways, I gotta get out of here. It's freaking cold, man. It's like 29 degrees out here right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys. Talk to you guys later. I'm going inside because it's cold as sh. All right, one thing is for sure, spacers make a hell of a difference. Wow,